Hey guys, we just wrapped up a custom garage build. I'd like to show you a few details about this project. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we finished up this new garage build and it replaced a very small garage that was here originally. And the client wanted a larger garage, something also that had a bit more of a modern feel and also that matched the existing home in a way. So we've matched the roof line up here. We have a shed roof design that also complements the roof on the existing home, but also it kept the roof height down near the back of the home where the master bedroom windows are. So it provides, still ample light and line of sight for them, while also having a nice large garage. Other details here is this garage is actually recessed into the ground about 3 feet. So it sits on a 3-foot grade beam. This keeps the roof height down as well, and also then works well with the design of the backyard. The previous garage did not have a man door into the garage. They had to leave through the overhead doors up the steps to the yard, and it was kind of a security issue for them. So we designed the new garage to have access from within the yard and lots of privacy and security here, where there's retaining walls and new fences to help make sure that there's limited access and for people that are walking down the back alley and whatnot. So overall, great new space for the client, fully ready to take heat, fully insulated and finished on the inside. Looks attractive, but really provides that great extra space to store their vehicles and their contents while complementing the look of the home. If you have questions about a garage you're considering building or questions about one of our projects, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. Have a great one.